Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I wake up and feel great today. I wake up and feel great today. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? I am doing well. Thank you. I am doing well. Thank you. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. What time is it right now? What time is it right now? I am sorry. I did not understand. I am sorry. I did not understand. Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please? I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I am ready to go now. I am ready to go now. That is a great idea. That is a great idea. I really enjoy learning English. I really enjoy learning English. Let me think about that. Let me think about that. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. I am getting better at English every day. I am getting better at English every day.